All right, so in chemistry, oftentimes we want to measure things, how hot is something, how much product did I form, how much reactant did I use up, and we want to talk about how good our measurements are. So when we're talking about measurements, there's two main qualities that we want to talk about. First is accuracy, how accurate are our measurements, and then the second is precision, how precise are our measurements. And so accuracy is how close you are to the correct answer or to the real answer. And then precision is how close your measurements are to one another, not how close they are to the real or correct measurement. So let's take a look at an example of the difference between accuracy and precision. So for example, we're gonna weigh a 1 kilogram block. So we know that this block weighs 1 kilogram, so we know exactly what our correct answer is. And so we're going to test out three different scales. So we have scale 1, scale 2, and then scale 3. Maybe it's your job to go around testing scales, make sure that they're working. And so on the first scale, the first measurement you get is 0.0 or 0.60 kilograms. Second measurement you get is 0.61 kilograms. And then the last one you get is 0.59 kilograms. And so let's talk about the accuracy and the precision of this scale. So we can see that all of these numbers are close to one another, right? They're all relatively close. And so all of our measurements are close to one another. That means that they are precise. So this one is precise. However, we know that our correct answer is 1 kilogram, not 0.6 kilogram. So although this scale is precise, it is not accurate because it's not close to the correct answer. Our second scale, let's say it goes 1.10 kilograms, 0.90 kilograms, and then 1.00 kilograms. And so in terms of precision, you can see that we vary a lot more than our previous scale, right? We have a difference of 0.1 each time, whereas previously we had a difference of 0.01. And so this scale is not very precise, at least relative to scale 1. But it's more accurate than scale 2. It's closer to the real value of 1 kilogram. So we'll say it's more accurate. And then finally, we take a look at scale 3 and it reads 1.00 kilograms, then 1.00 kilograms again, and then 1.00 kilograms again. And so this is the best scale because it's precise, right? We're getting the same reading every time. Our measurements are matching one another, and it's accurate. The weight weighs 1 kilogram. The scale is telling us 1 kilogram. Here's just another picture of that. So you can see here they're trying to hit the target. And so in this one, you've got a good grouping and they're right in that kind of bullseye area. So you're both accurate and precise. In this one, right, all of your stuff is kind of grouped together. So it's precise, but it's not close to the center, not close to where it wants to be. So it's not very accurate. And then finally here, you can see these kinds of things are all over the place. Maybe it would have been better if they kind of put one over here. But you can see they're not close to the center, so they're definitely not accurate. And they're not close to one another, at least relative to the other two pictures. And so it's not precise either. And so you want to know the difference between precision and accuracy. One more time, accuracy is how close you are to the real answer. Precision is how close your measurements are to one another.